Welcome to ETF Wrap, your weekly digest of the top stories in European ETFs. This week, BlackRock's World ETF listed on the Deutsche Boerse suffered a flash crash earlier this month when market liquidity dried up after the release of US jobs data. Elsewhere, ARK Invest launched 3 ETFs in Europe. However, fund selectors are yet to be convinced by the firm's investment approach. And finally, European ESG ETF inflows dropped 94% in Q1 as investors shifted focus to core equity allocations. First up, BlackRock's World ETF experienced a brief 5% drop on the Deutsche Boerse on April 5th, immediately after US job data was released. The ETF quickly recovered as trading resumed. This flash crash occurred solely on the Deutsche Boerse, with other exchanges remaining unaffected. After an investigation, the Frankfurt-based exchange concluded that there was no market manipulation or suspicious trading involved. The price drop was attributed to a huge dip in market-making activity following the job data release, compounded by multiple stop orders being triggered. Deutsche Boerse has initiated discussions with market participants to explore measures to prevent similar occurrences in the future. Next up, Cathie Wood's ARK Invest entered the European ETF market, launching 3 actively managed ETFs. The strategies cover innovation, genomics, and artificial intelligence, and are listed on the Deutsche Boerse. In light of the launches, European fund selectors are yet to be convinced about Wood's investment approach and where asset growth will stem from. Compounding challenges, ARK is yet to shake off the association of being a wealth destroyer after wiping out a total $14.3 billion of shareholder value over the past 10 years. Finally, European ESG ETFs are facing a significant downturn as inflows plummeted 94% quarter-on-quarter, according to Morningstar. Total inflows for ESG ETFs in Europe were $7.1 billion in Q1, a sharp drop from $13.8 billion in Q4 of 2023, representing only 16% of overall inflows. Jose Garcia Zarente of Morningstar described this trend as an existential crisis for ESG, noting a shift in investor sentiment, possibly due to prolonged underperformance. And that's a wrap for this week. Thanks for joining and hit subscribe to keep up to date with all the latest in ETFs.